Probably isn't our brightest idea.
You know,
it is dead quiet out in this, bro.
I got it in quiet mode.
It's actually pretty quiet. I'm pretty impressed. Just got picked up by Sebastian. Y'all know the cat. 2021 Mach, right?
Yeah, Big Daddy.
2021 10 R80 Mach 1. He just recently did long tube headers, JLT cold air intake, and Lund tune. So we're gonna go grab some gas. You're still on 93, right?
Yeah, 93. But I think this is the last of it. I'm trying to put like maybe like 10 bucks in it because they're gonna give me E85 next.
Oh yeah, I know these logs. This is the normal log. So we're gonna do some logging though. I don't know if it's super smart. You don't have any watt logs to do though, right?
I do, right here. 25 to 72.
Oh my god, dude.
This is gonna scream.
Bro, this is not a good idea. It is dead quiet. What time is it? 9:35. Yeah. I would just stay away from balconies because things could fly off. Shell-related things. So I think he's gonna throw $10 in because he's gonna try to put this on E85 this week. Dude, you're gonna love E in this, bro. Yeah. I do miss my 10-speed for that reason. The E85 was crazy on the 10R80. Idle log's gonna be a little boring. RTD has the gauges and everything on there, so you can see.
Screen too.
You can see the car live. All right, 3,500. Don't watt it, but just gradually and then now start giving it gas. Go to 5. Let that thing eat, bro. Yep, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep. She feels good.
We'll see if it's closer because it starts getting like when it gets closer to us.
Bro, he might be coming down this road.
We'll see. It'll start getting yellow, 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 and then red.
Oh, it turns yellow. Dude, this is a fun, trippy game. Like my heart's pounding just listening to this. Bro, I'm trying to get in a cop chase. Can you make that happen?
Should we go drive around and go?
You won't.
Yeah, I will. I mean, what is he gonna pull me over for?
Oh, I'm snitching, bro.
No, you're not. That camera going under the seat.
Hell no. I'm gonna say officer right here, dude. Follow him. This guy is literally running radar half a mile away, and that thing's picking it up. That is crazy. I kind of want to go hunt him.
All right, let's go.
Okay, whoa. Not hunt him like that, but no. Oh, dude, I can't put that in. The depression will kick in soon enough. Hades girl, you've been awesome. But yeah, just gave her last wash in my ownership as of yesterday. It was a little sad. I know you can't see much, but definitely a little bummed. I felt like ever since I got Lucifer back, there was a void missing with this car. She looks good. They just did the H&R Super Sport springs, front and rear. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot better.
I need to get some thinner tires though. These things are fucking.
They some meat boys, boy. Buy yourself a lip, bro. These front ends on the 3 valves need a lip. You need to get rid of those orange ambers, get a lip and a different grill, and you're Gucci. You can rock that look for a while.
All right, flame me some more, and I'm like.
I'm not flaming you, I'm just giving you advice. Guys, comment down below, tell him what he needs to do to this 3 valve. All my 3 valve guys watching. Hook your boy up. She looking good though. How's she, you been enjoying it?
Yeah.
Driving good and stuff?
I haven't really been driving it until like this week. So.
Sickening. This looks like Chris and his wife, I think that's his wife, Challenger. They just got here. So we're gonna do a little reveal for him. I got the car behind the garage, still closed, but I'm excited for him, I really am.
I saw your buddy up there. I said, hey man, I recognize you from YouTube.
Oh, was it Tyler?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Man, good to meet you. This is Dia, this is my wife.
Dia, how you
Micah.
doing?
What's up, Mike?
Buddy Micah.
How you doing, man?
Hi.
How you doing?
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm real excited, man. I've been cheesing and couldn't sleep.
Hey,
We haven't talked about anything but this since we started talking.
Well, actually before that too, because you know, when we started lifting Mustangs, all we did was watch the show.
Oh yeah, I appreciate
And
it.
he was like, dude,
I appreciate it. Well, yeah, I cleaned her up for her.
I feel like I'm on a
Well,
game
these
show.
are yours now. So, but yeah,
Woo.
here she is,
I
man.
feel like I'm on a game show.
She's ready for you.
Holy crap.
Yeah, she cleans up. I'm not gonna lie, I almost shed a tear. I cleaned it yesterday. I was like, oh, it looks so good cleaned up. But if you wanna start it, you can so you can just tap the lock.
Yeah.
And then double tap, and on the second tap, hold it.
Okay. Lock. You know what I did?
When you told me you didn't drive a Mustang, I'm excited for you to drive this because although it's naturally aspirated, the full bolt-on aspect with the 10R80, she's quick. So you're gonna have fun with it.
I mean, the fastest car I ever had was a Pontiac Firebird 350 1980.
Oh yeah.
That was the fastest car I ever had.
This will be different, but let her warm up for a second. I'll pull it out for you. Yeah, man.
That is amazing. My heart is racing. My heart is racing for you. Wow. Get your phone out. Give me your phone.
It's in the car.
What you think?
Oh my god, it's
It's
long
beautiful.
way. It's even better than I
You
thought.
guys are amazing.
Yeah, the black cars cleaned up in person look really good. It's hard to really like take in a black car on photos and videos and stuff, but
This is even better than I can imagine. God, that looks even better. Oh.
yeah, she looks good, man. She
And the
looks
rims, man. Oh.
good. Well, check her out. Here you are.
Dude.
There's some things I gotta walk you through. The car still does have half a tank of E85 in it, but it is super simple to swap to the 93 tune when it gets down to really low gas gas levels.
Yeah.
You have plenty to get home, drive around a little bit. So when it gets low, I'll show you the process, but super easy though. I haven't pulled this car out the garage in about 15 to 16 days because like when he started, you know, discussing
Don't
it.
put miles on
That's
it.
the baddest
Yeah.
car I've ever had. That's actually the baddest car I've ever seen.
The fun thing is you haven't even driven it yet.
No.
That's what I'm excited for.
I just can't believe this.
Yeah,
car.
she's clean. Damn.
I mean, in person, it is just so much more.
Can I back out? Like, can I back out last minute?
No.
Nah, she's yours.
No.
Hell no. You're gonna make my life
Done.
miserable.
That's awesome.
What do you think, man?
I think this is unbelievable. Oh my god. I keep saying, oh my god, but that's just what I'm feeling right now.
Nah,
It's almost like a loss of words, man. I can't believe
I'm
it.
happy you're stoked, man.
Oh my goodness.
Take a seat in her.
What do you think, babe?
I'm in love. I'm jealous. You're making me rethink everything.
You got Mama D over there. I see it.
Baby's been spending a lot of money, but she didn't spend as much as I did.
That was the deal, though.
Yeah.
The deal was, you get this thing, I get to do whatever I want to mine.
Yeah, I also told him that you were getting a garage built for it.
Yes.
Yep.
He bought the car, then was like,
He's
we're
already
gonna build a
called,
garage.
He's got everything in line. It's just a matter of time.
That's awesome. Hell yeah.
I cannot believe this, man. This is beautiful, man.
Well, if you have any questions, let me know. I mean, I'll run you through some stuff, but if there's anything in particular that, you know, hits your mind, definitely shoot it. I'll fill you in with whatever I know.
Well, I don't know yet.
He's in shock right now.
I really am.
I know that feeling. I go for mine tomorrow, and I can't. I've done this before. I can only imagine your first Mustang. That's always special. Like, that's very
I've never
fun.
even sat in a Mustang. Never.
Oh,
But
man.
you know what? This whole process, I mean, it was easy. You made it really easy, so.
Yeah, you made it really easy. Let me tell you.
I tried to work, but I was like, look, I'm gonna get this car, so if it needs anything.
Hey,
we'll
all
make
you
that
guys
happen.
watching that hit me up and wasted my time. So actually grab me that remote right there. This is the beauty of it. So right now this is full open. If you want to just, you know, start it in the morning.
Wow, that really quiets me up.
Yep. So now it perfect daily, you know, if you don't really want the noise. I mean, even with the exhaust though, these cars are so good with the sound deadening. Like when the door's shut, you don't even hear it.
She's gonna stay open.
Yeah, definitely.
My neighbors, they got Camaros back, you know, every week it's like, whoa, 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 whoa. in there, baby?
No.
Why not?
She'll be.
This is your day.
Anything I need to do on the car at all?
Honestly, man, no. You could drive this to California and back.
Yeah.
And that's kind of why I bought it, man. I bought it because of the 10R80, the 10-speed transmission.
Yeah.
Always had manual Mustangs, but these cars, like the setup now, like for what it is, it's nasty for real. Like the E85 full bolt-on, the long tubes, the full exhaust, the ported manifold, they get down with the 10R80s. But I got that car back up and running, and I was just like, man, I'm just a manual guy. Like I just kind of got bored with it because that one was manual, making all the noises and stuff. I was like, man. So I just couldn't. I don't know. I was just juggling it, and then when you hit me up, I was just like, you know what? I will sell it because like I was just putting a feeler kind of out there. Like I wanted to sell it, but if no one came, I was still gonna be happy with it. I was still gonna enjoy it.
It was perfect.
Yeah.
When that video came out, I was like,
Yeah.
I told him it's fate. It's fate.
Yeah, I was telling Ramina how he said you were getting ready for bed and he was in bed, and I just posted the video and he opened up YouTube and he said he wanted the car before I even listed it or something. So
well, I told her,
awesome.
I said, well, I'm gonna get a black Mustang and I'm gonna do just like that.
Oh, there you go.
Well, you got just like
And
that.
it's perfect too because today's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. I'm a big Star Wars guy, and I'm
That's
getting
him.
the car today. And I was like, yes,
That's awesome.
this is so perfect. Now, at one point you said something about the tires. Did you end up changing those tires? You
No,
said-
so those are the Nittos. Those are the ones that came on the on this this wheel and tire setup because I traded a guy my performance pack ones, the black wheels. I traded them for these just because I liked how it like the wheel color bounces off the white tail lights and it bounces off the polished exhaust tips. So, but no, there's plenty of tread left on these things, man. I know you saw me like burning them up and stuff, but the Nittos, dude, I swear these Nittos, they're not the best when it comes to like performance grip, but they're really good with longevity. Like so I've had so many sets of Nittos that I've done burnouts on, drove them for hell a year or two after, and
Well, I heard you say at one point you wanted to change these to 305s, I think it was.
Yeah, I wanted to see if I could fit a 305 to kind of get it a little closer, but I just never did it.
You think I still should?
I mean, you could I think you could do a 305 on that wheel and it'll clear. The only thing you want to be careful is that you don't go too wide.
Yeah.
Because when you hit a speed bump, if you start burning up the fender paint, then that can get bad. But I think it has a 285 on it now, or 295, I think.
It's pretty close.
Or no, 275s. Yeah, so you could put like a 295 on there. That's what I would do. A 295, and it'll definitely give it a little.
I got a while
look.
to go though before I change them.
Yeah. There's some good life
She's
left
gonna
in
be
them.
so babied for a long time.
And that's the great thing, man. If you want to romp on her, she's ready.
She is. I'll tell you, it's gonna. I told her, I said, we can't get in this thing and just like that.
No, and I was
I'm
gonna
go.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, man. Like that's the one thing with these cars and the automatics. Like a lot of people do crash them because they get in them and they just start going crazy. And once you stomp on the gas in an auto, like you're telling the computer to do something. So when it's starting to do that and it's too late, it's hard to correct like a manual where you can just clutch in and it cuts all the power to the drivetrain. So definitely got to be careful with it. But I'm sure you'll be fine.
She'll be baby for a while. Trust me, it won't be full throttle for a while.
Yeah, but I mean,
I'm
she's
gonna take her
fun.
a lot of strips and test it out, see how she does.
She handles great, man. That's the awesome thing about these S550s because they have the independent rear suspension. Unlike Lucifer, that's a solid rear axle. Yeah. So that one will slide out on you easier. This one, it's like when you're taking corners and stuff, it just bites, man.
Really?
And then you got the big 6-piston Brembos up front. So I mean,
it's badass, man.
Well, she's yours, man. That's your car.
It's still kind of shocking to you. It still doesn't feel like it yet.
Yeah,
you know?
I totally understand that, man. That's how it was when I bought that.
Superstars here, and I'm looking at this car. I'm like, Yeah,
she's
it's like I know
yours.
every single one of y'all's faces.
We have watched every single video for the past few weeks. No lie.
That's all
Between you and the guy that drives Minion. I think he's
Oh, God.
Yeah.
We love watching your show.
Brandon.
It's awesome.
The cool thing is you're only an hour away, man. So when we start doing car shit, you're gonna want to. Now that you both have one, you're gonna be hooked.
Well,
You're
she
gonna
was
be
telling me
hooked.
that day, she goes, did I make a mistake? Should I got a Mustang?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
I was going to say, when you told
Oh,
me
what do you
to
think about
say
that?
Mustang.
He even said, baby, you want to trade it in? You want to trade it in? And I was like,
He's Mopar.
All right, listen.
I am.
put this on the camera. If you let her drive this car, she's gonna talk to you about getting a Mustang.
Yep.
I can promise.
I kind of said that. I said, don't let me drive the car.
If you drive,
I think I'll be in trouble.
you're gonna get the itch. I promise you. I promise.
Now I thought you were getting rid of yours at one point, getting a truck or something.
I was going to get a truck, but
He knows.
he's my friend, so come on.
Yeah.
No, that was more the wife's choice, not mine.
Well, that's the crazy thing about that car is I was going to get a car. I was supposed to. My son graduated from college, so I gave him. I had a Nissan, and paid off. So I gave him that. So we were looking for me a car, and then we came up with this idea. It was like, oh well, you only travel a little,
He works
not
from
far.
home. So
Yeah.
there's no point in him because he had talked about a truck. I mean, we've talked about
Yeah.
everything, and it was just to the bottom point of, you don't go anywhere.
Right.
Do you really need to invest that much money in a car that it's going to sit there?
So we just went for a little test drive. Gave you a little sauce. How'd it feel?
It was good.
Dude, how was your test ride?
Loved it.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah. he's laughing out, dude. All right. Dude, the bug has officially hit this man. We're sitting at this red light. All we hear is wham, wham. He's over here gagging that thing. How was the first drive? Was it nice?
It was. I
Awesome.
gave it a little bit.
We're gonna go have fun and get this DMV stuff over with, so wish us luck.